We have new details tonight about the manslaughter trial of a nursing home administrator. Days after a judge acquitted him, prosecutors urged the court to reconsider. But their last-ditch efforts did not go as planned. CBS 4's Joan Murray joins us now with what was said in court and what happens next.
Facing years in prison if convicted, Jorge Carballo's 5-year nightmare is over. Broward Circuit Judge John Murphy refusing to reconsider his decision Friday to acquit Carballo of manslaughter charges. Carballo was administrator of the rehabilitation center at Hollywood Hills in 2017, where a dozen people died after a power failure during Hurricane Irma.
So this is a classic case of prosecutorial malfeasance. They had an obligation to only bring cases in good faith that they think they can win, and this wasn't one of them.
Carballo was initially charged with a dozen deaths. 3 were dropped, and he faced 9 manslaughter counts. Dave Frankel was his other attorney.
As a former prosecutor, what did you think was lacking, or what could prosecutors have done to prove any criminality in this case?
I think the prosecutors were relying on just the fact that so many people died under the circumstances that appeared to be they were suffering, and they didn't want to go any deeper than that and realize that, Mr. Carballo in particular was the person, I called him boots on the ground, who was doing everything he could under horrible circumstances.
And what about the argument residents should have been transferred to the Hollywood Memorial Regional Hospital next door?
We asked people from the hospital who testified, would you have taken people just as a precaution? Ultimately the answer was no, we won't. And plus the testimony from people in the hospital was they were overrun.
After the judge's ruling, the Broward State Attorney said in a statement, "We respectfully accept Judge Murphy's decision, though we strongly disagree with much of the court's findings and wish a jury of Mr. Carballo's peers had been allowed to reach a verdict. The tragic deaths of 12 senior citizens deeply shocked and affected our community. I pursued criminal charges related to 9 of those deaths because I and my prosecutors firmly believe the evidence showed those deaths were the result of culpable negligence."
The nursing home where this happened doesn't even exist anymore. As you can see from the sign, it has been rebranded. All the civil cases have been settled, and now with this verdict, the criminal matter is over. In Hollywood, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.